What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Always in Boost GT500 coming at you with another video. It's a beautiful day out here today, man. I'm repping my boy's business. Check him out, Glove Guy and Supply. If you need any PPE products, he's the guy to see. I will have all his information in the description below. He has a website, he has Instagram, so it's real easy to order any mask or gloves that you need for him. But let's get back to this video, man. I have the GT500 right behind me, and the reason why I'm doing this video is I got a comment from one of the subscribers asking me if I could do a small video showing my Davies Craig pump I am using for my P&R ice tank. I guess he wanted to see the water flow, and I love the comments and the questions and whatnot, so I hope this helps him see the water flow of the pump I'm getting ready to show you that I use. So again, let's check it out. Look how clean it is, man. It's a little dirty right now, but I already have the power on. So again, as you can see, I am running the P&R ice tank, and this is the Davies Craig EWP 150 pump. I know a lot of guys been using the bigger pump, which is the EWP bigger pump, but I wanted to try for my particular application and what I'm gonna be using the car for. I want to try it myself with this pump. The specs is 39.6 gallons per minute, which is not bad, and let's see if I can get a good decent video of the pump. So I have the tank on right now. I'm gonna turn that power on the car. So give me a second. You see, I don't think I showed you guys the inside yet, but I'm gonna get inside here and reach, give it some power, and hopefully you can see a decent water flow. So I hope this helps out. I'm gonna try to get the best video as I can. And as you can see here, the water's flowing. I really can't get inside more than I can right here, but this is about the flow I am getting with this Davies Craig pump. And again, the spec says 39.6 gallons per minute. But so far, it's been working out well for me. I can't lie to you guys. Since I did the install, this week has been the first week I've really been driving the car. I went on a good 2-hour drive one way and 2 hours back. IATs was very low, so I definitely saw improvement with that, which that's what the plan was. And so far, the pump's been working good for me, man. Not sure yet if I would need a bigger pump than this, but again, this is the Davies Craig pump. I will put the model number for the Davies Craig pump in the description below as well. But it's a pretty decent flow, guys. As you can see, it's a pretty decent flow, so I hope this helps and answers one of the subscriber questions. And I don't mind doing videos like this, Actually, I'm not gonna front, man. I'm not gonna front. I got excited. I said, yo, of course I could do the video for you, man. I was happy, man. I was definitely happy. So here you got it, man. This is the best I can show right now. And I hope this helps. If you guys have any other questions, any other videos you want me to post, send them through my comments, shoot me an email. I'd be happy to try to help anyone out in the Mustang platform, or any platform that's trying to use an ice tank as well, or anything else that I have in my car. But I hope you guys like the video. Hit that like and subscribe at the bottom, and I'll catch you next time. Peace. Again, I'll give you another quick glance. Bam. Baby's flowing. You feel me?